Hello YouTube, this will work with multiple Epson EcoTank printers. I'm going to show you really quickly how to print a test sheet to get an idea of how well your printer is printing and if you need to do any cleanings or not. So obviously you want to turn it on. Alright, so we're at the home screen, right? I'm going to take a regular sheet of printer paper. Okay, I'm going to put it in the back, and once I put that in there, the screen is going to change. It's going to ask me to confirm what kind of paper I just put in, and I have mine set to default as presentation matte, so I'm just going to hit OK. So hit OK, and then what you want to do is you want to press the right arrow twice, and you want to get to the gear. You want to get to settings. Click OK. Click on the first one, maintenance. Click on this first one, nozzle check. Okay, it's going to tell you to load letter /A4 size plain paper. So we did that. We're going to hit print. Okay. Now, since my setting was presentation matte, it senses a mismatch. So I'm just going to hit next, and then it'll ask me print on the paper loaded in rear paper feeder, and I'm going to say yes. Hit the up arrow. Pull out my tray, and it's pretty fast. So this is going to print our test print nozzle check paper. Okay. All right. So you got black, and then you have yellow, magenta, and cyan. Black looks good. I've got the square all the way around and the horizontal lines. Everything's good there. Yellow looks good. Magenta looks good, and you can see that my cyan is not printing perfectly here. So in this case, I would go back up to here, and it asks me, are there any missing segments? And I would hit yes. Okay. And then it'll ask clean printhead, and I would say yes. Okay, I'm not going to do it right now because I don't need to. The basic printhead cleaning in most cases should take care of any spottiness on here. Once it runs through a cleaning, it will tell you to print another test sheet, so then you can check the results. So most of the time that works. There is an option for power cleaning that takes a longer amount of time, and it purges more ink than just a regular printhead cleaning. If for some reason you've done both of those, then you may need to check out the video that I made. I'll put a link down below for the process of cleaning the actual printheads themselves with either a cleaning kit, or in the case of my video, without a cleaning kit and a couple household items and some isopropyl alcohol. It's really easy and really doable, so definitely do that if you need to. But a quick nozzle check will tell you where you are, and then maybe one or two printhead cleanings should get you back to 100%. In my case, I am using pigment ink for stickers so that they're fade and waterproof, and my cyan always seems to be the color that has the most trouble, probably just because of what pigment they use for the cyan ink. But that's just one little detail that may or may not matter to you. If you're using the regular Epson water-based ink, then you probably will have a pretty easy time getting everything up to snuff. So that's how you do a nozzle check. The printout will also tell you a couple other little things. The color is what matters, right? And the alignment. I hope that helps. Fast little video. I'll put links down below for my other videos on the Epson EcoTank, and I'll put links for some affordable cleaning kits and inks for you to check out. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you. See ya.